diamonds, I like stunning, I like shining, I like $1,000,000 deals. Where's my pen? Bitch, I'm signing. I like those Balenciagas, the ones that look like socks. I like going to the Tula, I put rocks all in my watch. I like texts from my exes when they want a second chance. I like proving niggas wrong, I do what they say I can't. They call me Cardi, banging body, spicy mommy, hot tamale, hotter than a sauce.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Victoria, and today's video is going to be a tutorial on how I got this makeup look using this bomb.com palette. I know some of you guys probably have seen this going around Instagram and YouTube and Facebook and Twitter and every other social media site that there is out there, and the reason why is because it came in the June BoxyCharm box. So you guys, oh my gosh, this palette is absolutely gorgeous. Like, and it comes with 4 matte shades and like 4 metallic shades, literally perfect for summer. Like, look at this. Wow, like I'm so shook. If you guys are not already subscribed to my channel, hit that subscribe button. I don't know where it's at right now. I don't know what you're watching this on, but it might be down there, it might be right there, it might be over there, and it might be over there. Hit it. Alright? And then right next to it, if you guys want to get notified anytime I upload a video, go ahead and click that bell that'll be next to the subscribe button. Okay? Okay. Okay. Alright, without further ado, let's go ahead and get into this video.
DavidSoniaBeats.com. Purchase beats with no price. SoniaBeats.com. Purchase.
I just want to say this palette has so much follow. Like the matte shades are like fine. That look at my face. Wow. Okay. Alright you guys, so for foundation today I'm going to be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills foundation stick in the color Amber. I don't know if those are gunshots or fireworks, but I'm just going to keep going. Put on primer. I feel like this foundation is like too light for me. Like, honestly. Okay. Whatever. I guess we can try to fix it. I'm gonna be trying something new by Influencer, well, by Maybelline, sent to me by Influencer. It is the Maybelline lipstick and shaping lip liner. I got the color in the lip liner, I got the color 118 Raw Chocolate, and for the lipstick I got 060 Chocolate Lust. So it's supposed to be like a shiny lipstick. I think it's the perfect nude for us colored girls, I think, from pictures that I've seen. So we're gonna try it out and see. And yeah, so let me do a swatch. Awful swatching, but that's the lipstick. And I have used the lip liner before, which I like. I think the pair is absolutely beautiful. So lipstick and then the lip liner. So I'm gonna go ahead and put that on. I already moisturized my lips with I don't know where I put it, y'all, but it's just some regular coconut oil lip gloss that I got from the hair store for 99¢. So we're gonna line the lips first. And in my opinion, the lip liner just looks very nude on me. especially my bottom lip. On my top lip, you can kind of tell. So my top lip is like darker than my bottom lip, but yeah. So we're gonna try a lipstick. So I don't necessarily like this color on me. I just feel like it makes my lips look like really bigger than they already are. And I'm typically like a matte girl, so let's see if we can make this matte. I'm gonna take my Laura Mercier powder and I'll just use what's in the top, and I'll use this little unicorn brush that I have to just modify it. I would definitely do this lipstick matte and not shiny, but the lipstick is a shine lipstick, so if you guys like shine, like I showed you before, definitely you can wear it with shine. I do think it is a good summer color. After seeing it matte, I will wear it, and it matches my look. But yeah, I wouldn't wear it shiny. I would definitely wear it matte again, but it comes in shiny. I don't know if any of these come in matte or anything, but you can definitely, I don't know, go on the website, check it out. Yeah. And okay, let's talk about this packaging. Maybelline's packaging has always been like really cute to me, but this rose gold packaging is so nice. Like, I can see myself in the mirror. It's like mirror rose gold packaging, so I thought that was pretty. But yeah, so thank you guys. Let me know how you feel about this lipstick down in the comments below. It kind of reminds me of Whip or something, that color from Whirl. That color from MAC that was like super popular back when I was like in like 10th grade. Yeah, it kind of reminds me of Whirl. I still have my Whirl lipstick, I just don't really wear it that much. It's like a pinkier Whirl, so maybe it's like the Teddy lipstick. I never tried that from MAC, but could be similar, like a dupe to that. Alright you guys, thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys next time. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Bye!
Baby, I don't understand this. You're changing, I can't stand it. My heart can't take this damage, and the way I feel can't stand it. Baby, I don't understand this. You're changing, I can't stand it. My heart can't take this damage, and the way I feel can't stand it. Baby, I don't understand it. Girl, you're making it hard for me. Girl, you're making it hard for me. Girl, you're making it hard for me.